I want to advise you, never in your life let someone who is an idiot that know how to speak good English advise you. That is the worst thing that can happen to you. One guy has been calling me. He said, Lasisi, come and see me. Let's make money together. I said, I will come, sir. I got there. He sat down. He crossed his leg. He said, Lasisi, tell me about you. I told him about me. He laughed. He said, Lasisi, you don't know who you are. Anybody that tell you don't know who you are, run for your life. I say, who am I? He said, Lasisi, oh God. You don't know what you carry. I said, what did I carry? What am I carrying? He said, Lasisi, I will shock you. Right now, how much do you make roughly in a month? I say, before I will answer, he said, Lasisi, what if I told you you can make 25 million naira monthly? I say, how? He said, no. He carried his phone, he pressed it again. He said, Lasisi, I'm sorry about that calculation. What if I told you you can make 40 million naira monthly? I say, I'm ready, sir. Tell me. Come one guy. He said, Wale, come. I don't know. I'm thinking about what we can do for Lasisi. Let's package him. He has talent. Oh, don't you have talent? I said, I have talent, sir. He said, we'll just, the Birmingham show, take him there. Hopefully we get like 100 million naira. And if only 40 million. I said, I want 40 million naira, sir. I'm okay with 40 million naira. As he was talking to me, my manager called me. He said, somebody is saying they want to use you for a wedding MC. That they don't have much, but they can pay 1.5. I said, send me the person's number. I went outside. I called the man. I said, sir. He said, yes. I said, somebody just said you want to use me for your show, for your wedding, and you want to pay me 1.5 million naira. He said, yes. I said, do you know who I am? I said, do you know what I have? The man said, no. I said, in your life, never call me. I ran back inside to meet the man. The man said, I was also thinking about something, Lasisi. Have you worked with any brand before? I don't know. I'm thinking Adidas. I said, I love Adidas. He said they would do something for me. I don't know. $1 million. So I said, I love dollars, sir. I love dollars, sir. I'm okay with dollars. God. This thing happened October last year. I've been calling the man for over 10 months now. He has not been picking my call. He has not. I need any kind of job now.
Now, I'm on a year. This Lagos people can advise. I finished my show May 12th last month at Muson Center. Shut down. On a club if you celebrate success. Right now, say God handed that show to 2 people. See they buy VIP ticket, stand for back of regular. Sheyi Lodeye, he there abroad though. Now he shot me. Said there's okay. I saw your show on Hip TV. You did well. Buy a land. As I go try. Land cost for island. My brother, now island they show me land near Davido house. If you this joke when I want also, if you never buy land, laugh so that they will say you get. DJ wait, they show me land 10 by 15. I say how much? They say 62 million. I say with building. They say no. I call my father. Daddy, he said, oh. You know, say get level when you go reach you and your father go be friends. If you never reach that level, hustle. Video wait. He take resort to cancel insult. The fact, this thing, my papa say, no matter the speed when motor drive for TV, you know if he kill the washer. Now my papa talk or not, when I hear my papa, they talk anyhow. My papa talk or my papa say anybody want to go buy poison, call wait to collect change, never make up in mind to die.
When I was planning this show, January, I went to Ikoyi Club. You know, see Ikoyi Club now, big men, then they come there. I went to Ikoyi Club to perform. After my performance, one man walked up to me. He said, Pencil, come. Wow. Pencil, you killed it. You're a very funny comedian. Where have you been? I said, okay, we are trying. Wow. Pencil, come. Are you planning anything? I said, sometime. He said, no, Pencil, you need to do something. I want to support you. No. You're funny. You're just wait. What's happening? I said, sir, we are just planning. Now I said, come. Now I put down for pockets. He said, come. No. You're funny. I said, thank you, sir. He said, come. Take my card. Call me. I said, okay, no problem. I said, they go. Now I come back. I said, come. Take. This is my wife's card. If my number does not go, call me. I will pick my wife. I said, okay, no problem. March. Now the man called me. Pencil. I said, sir. He said, what's happening? I've seen a white show. I've seen a Kororo show, Funny Bone show. When are you doing something? Do something. I want to support you. I said, sir, no problem. We are planning. We've gotten a date. He said, where? I said, Bamora Convention. He said, what date? I said, August 26. He said, very good. I will support you. Ask people that knows me very well. When I want to support, I support in full. I begin plan. They do. 2 weeks to the show. Now I call the man. He said, Pencil. I said, sir. He said, I'm seeing your advert everywhere. You have taken over Lagos. I will not only support you, we will support you. I said, yeah, we. I said, okay, well, I don't make them. We. 2 days to my show on Friday. Now I call the man. I said, sir, the show is on Sunday. He said, yes, Pencil, I know. We have supported you. Come the shock. I send this man my account number. One, I don't know. I said, sir, how? He said, as I speak to you now, we just left Ibadan supermarket. We bought 2 regular tickets. We paid cash, 10,000 naira. I am my wife. Don't worry, we are with you. Okay, I know, sir, after they crack this joke, you there. And you sit down for regular. They watch me. My God will fight for me. No worry. You not only support me, you surprise me. You know, say now Lagos. Now you see where person they say something and you know they use the thing. Or do a leg bar on that bridge. Now I see person when get mad hodder. They say man clean. They say bros banner. I say why you not use them for your mouth? He say my mouth hold on and follow come or you know what.
Friends come meet me say, why but you what did they do you? Why you go to stay mainland to be big boy? Come and move to the island. Now I say, enough is enough. Let me go to Lekki. I want to live in the heart of Lekki. Now I call agent. Hello, this is Buchi. I want to live in the heart of Lekki. Look for property. The guy said, bros, how much be your project? I said, why will you insult me? I said, look for property. Do you know who is talking to you? I said, bros, you never reach quarrel. 2 days later, I come and say, bros, I don't see something for the heart of Lekki. You go like him. I said, how much? The guy said, 10 million. Minus agency and agreement. I said, for how many years? He said, 1 year, sir. I said, but I'm not buying the property. I just want to leave. I will leave again. I will pack out. The guy said, bros, I said, with agency, how much? He said, 15 million. I got quiet. The guy said, hello. I said, I can't hear you. He said, I can hear you, sir. And I said, what can we do? He said, okay, now you want the heart of Lekki. I said, can you move towards the leg of Lekki, please? I'm not a heart person. Just go towards the leg. Now the guy called me back 3 days. He said, sir, I've gone towards the leg of Lekki. He said, where be that? He said, towards Agungi. I said, okay. As long as there's Lekki there, I'm okay. The guy said 7 million. I said, you are still in the body of Lekki. Can you avoid the whole body? Just go down, further down. Leave the body of Lekki alone. I just want to live 1 year and we pack away. I'm not buying the property. The guy said, bros, can't I never reach correct? I said, don't pass correct. I tell you. He not tell the guy come again. He said, bros, I don't see what you define. I said, hey, how much are we talking about? He said, 5 million. I said, I like that. Where? He said, it's just further than the body of Lekki. I said, where is it? Ekpe. He said, no, you pass Ekpe small, but Lekki did the address.
I say, if I pass the best mask, he says, sir, it's Lekki Expressway. Now I say, Lekki Expressway, 5 million. I like the fact that Lekki is there, but can we still go further down a bit? And the guy said, bros, don't worry, I will get to you later. 1 week later, now he come. He said, bros, I don't get what you define. 1.5 million. You can park 4 cars. There's table tennis court inside and swimming pool. I said, how much the agency and agreement? He said, they inside already. I said, now we are talking. Now we are talking. One that they make her look as if this Lekki thing. So you fit get this kind of property. Now you dey hide am. Give me address. I say, is it around 4th roundabout? He said, okay, forget all the roundabout in Lagos. I said, okay, it's true. You know how much they removed the roundabout? He said, no, forget. Even the old one, forget all. Go further down. I said, oh, is it after Ekpe? He said, no, sir. Further down, sir. Now my voice got reduced. I said, further down where? Is it? Alright. The guy said, Papa, further down, further down. And I said, further down after all. Where remain now being? The guy said, bam.
If you are married, always go to the gym. You get me? Please. Because all this, our Nigerian men, some women are they cause the OT, they just born 1, 2, 3. They don't leave their body. My husband is my husband. Husband self not even dey Lagos. I don't know about Abuja. Lagos husband in the evening, beer parlor and all of them. And they wonder why girls get the cry, say, I want to marry, I need a husband. Husband not dey Lagos, so beer parlor. As you call the hello, they come now. Go slow, then hold me. They come. Well, bring a 3 beer. Bring gift, my friend, too. Hey, who's here? That the husband.
Now only Benin girls they use engagement ring till they open beer.
Somebody go drink reach 12. You can't drive reach house. God still look you. And can I say something? If you are married, focus to your wife. It's good. By the time you start carrying all these your young girls, if they deal with you, weaken all your body. If all these small girls weaken your body finish, you know say if man reach house, and no one near a wife, they form a necessary quarrel. That time they don't slap over. Come on, be a man. All this must if they beat you. All your body don't weak. You can't branch pharmacy, buy Panadol. You can't reach house. Your wife still can't wear nightgown. See, baby, you wake up, wash you. You know, say you're the phone quarrel. I said, how are you? Why? What is this thing doing here? What is this thing doing here? Junior kept it here. Why? Now lie, yo. In one phone quarter, make go sleep. Oh, you don't shout, you enter bedroom. Bath, enter bedroom. If your wife just not gives you, your wife not say not be small beats.
You're me casual. Tailor where they sew anything. You me sit down, we don't see you welcome. They sew native for us, you they wear casual. Why you know we are native come? You sit down, welcome. That's your wife fine. If I marry wife, we fine like your me wife. If I want trouble, I'll go pay her into my account too. When I come back, I withdraw. No day for this one. Well, all this to marry fine wife, not be the problem. Maintenance, fine woman be like moto. Hello, and I say I want marry fine wife. My girlfriend, I like her like that. If I buy 1 cup of Vaseline for her till December, she know they ask. Fine wife go top gel, up gel, all the makeup you go buy and complete. Oh yeah, sit down now. We don't say you fine. You know, say if your wife fine, if you enter occasion like this, you see what you're me to do now, you introduce her to all your friends. Oh, my wife, Grace. Michael, my wife, Grace. Mama, my wife. But if your wife will walk, so I enter. Uche, see the woman will born my children. This one I'm born for me.